In this video, we're going to show you how to replace an ignition coil on your Chevy 2500. This is going to be located on the side of your motor. Let's get started. We're going to remove the lock for our electrical connector. Just pull straight out. Now we can push on our connector. We're going to lift up, we're going to pick up on our connector and release it from our coil. Push this tab up and push down and remove the connector. We're going to go to the bottom of our coil. We're going to grab our wire and we're going to pull it off of our coil. Using an 8mm socket, remove the two nuts for the coil. Using a wrench, an 8mm wrench, we're going to loosen that bottom bolt and remove it. Remove both bolts and remove the coil. Install the new coil into place and get the bolt started. Snug the bolts down. Torque the ignition coil bolts to 106 inch-pounds or 12 Newton meters. If you can't get a torque wrench on it, do the best you can. Install the connector. Push until you hear a click. If you don't, give it a pull. Make sure it's locked on. Then install that lock behind your connector. Reach down and grab the wire and install that onto your coil. Make sure it locks on and repeat this process for any other coil you do.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.